Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. This is my way of showing you this car. This is my way of selling you the car, guys. Mark from Always Sold 123 here to present you HEMI. Guys, HEMI 2019 4x4 Ram. Take a look. 4x4 Ram, it's so high. I'm not sure even if I can be able to jump into it. Let me pick this up, guys. Look at this body. It's a good looking body on it. Nice wheels, nice tires, nice frame. Take a look. I don't see any rusts, holes in the frames. I don't see anything, guys. Of course, there's a little rain. It just rained. Let's go here. Look, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. Guys, 2019 Ram HEMI 4x4 lifted. Boom. With the black leather interior from CAT scan. CAT scan, guys. Take a look. Let's look at here. Nice truck. These are the back suspension. Let's go under. Okay, looks very clean. Look at that. Hey, you guys in somewhere in Poconos or something. Look at that. You're never gonna see this on one of your cars over there in PA. All right, you got this cover. Backup camera, is it? Take a look. How? Look at it. Very clean here. Okay, let's start it. That's me, by the way, guys. That's me right there. Mark, yeah. Let's start it. Only one key, all right? Let me jump into it. Oh, beautiful. All right. 116 with miles. Oh, look at that. It's touchscreen. Okay, it's a touch screen. AC is freezing. Let's lower it a little bit. I'm guessing it has a backup camera, so let's try it. Okay, yeah, has a backup camera. Now, how do you do four-wheel drive? Okay, right there. Follow, two-wheel drive. Okay, it's switching gears. That's good. Nice and clean, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I usually don't get such a big, huge cars, but when I saw the way it is in general, I said I have to keep this one. I'm gonna keep this one, guys. Okay, so let's go again to another side. Come back here. I like these bumpers also. Looks nice. This door panel is good. Seats here is nice. Tires are nice. Look at this. Look at this. Tires are not boldy bolt. The tires are not boldy bolt. I gotta figure out how to open this thing because it's big. It's a double size of what I can actually see. Let's go. We put this on the pause 1 second. Let me pause 1 second. Okay, I'm back, guys. I have to open. Look, I can't even get to it. All right, take a look. I like it. I like it. Okay, that's some paint right here. You know, under the paint, you can see it right here. Okay, I don't see anything else here. If I would see it, I would show it to you. Okay. This is looks like it's an aftermarket tail light. Guys, overall beautiful truck. 4x4 HEMI 19 Ram, sold by Always Sold. Little disclosure, as I always do, keep in mind guys, this truck sold as is. Once you purchase it, it's yours. If you need a warranty, let us know. Any questions, more pictures will be on the website right now. Sold by Always Sold 123. My name is Mark. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go and do pictures. Thank you so much and bye bye.